Hi, my name is Micah, and I'm in 3rd grade. I'm also a volunteer at Mountain Studies Institute. And today, in this video, we're going to show you how and why to make seed balls. Jeremy, why don't you start with the why?
Hi, I'm Jeremy May, Education Coordinator with Mountain Studies Institute. Wildfires are an important part of our forest ecosystems. They serve an important role in thinning the forest and cycling nutrients.
However, climate change, grazing, and a policy of wildfire suppression have dramatically changed our forest landscape. We now have drier forests that are more dense with trees. For the last few decades, we've been seeing a longer fire season with bigger and more severe fires all over the West. While wildfires can help a forest stay healthy, and it can quickly regrow, they can also provide challenges with both erosion and invasive plants. Invasive weeds tend to follow disturbance, and they are really good at moving in quickly and taking over before the native plants have a chance to establish. In addition to making way for invasive weeds, burned areas, and especially high-severity burn areas, are susceptible to erosion, meaning that soil and debris flow down into our streams and rivers, affecting our water quality. The Hermosa Creek watershed is a very special place, with a mix of forest types and steep slopes that have prevented logging. This, combined with a favorable, rainy environment, have resulted in the watershed hosting some of the biggest trees in the state of Colorado. In 2018, the 416 fire burned in a large portion of the Hermosa Creek watershed at mixed severity. The same steep slopes that prevented logging make the area extra susceptible to erosion. To address the invasive weed and erosion concerns, we make seed balls with a mix of native grass, flower, and shrub seeds provided to us by the Forest Service. Seed balls will encourage rapid regeneration of native plants that will stabilize the soil and reduce the amount of sediment that flows into our streams. Try to disperse our seed balls in the more severely burned areas and without leaving the trail. Be aware that the dead standing trees present a fall hazard, and the area should be avoided on windy days.
Those are the main reasons why we make seed balls. Now to Micah for how to make the seed balls.
Okay, to make your seed balls, you will need powdered clay, sand, compost, and a mix of seeds native to the 416 burn area. First, we'll mix our dry ingredients. 4 parts clay into the tub. 2 parts sand into the tub. Then we add 2 parts compost into the tub. Last but not least, 1 part seed mix from the Forest Service. If you've received one of your dry seed ball mixes in a jar, then all you have to do is pour it into a bowl and add water. Well, take the lid off, pour it into a bowl, and then add water. Perfect. Just like chocolate chip cookies, but not quite as tasty. Then you need to set your seed balls out to fully dry. We call them seed balls, but you can also make them discs so they don't roll around so much when you throw them into the woods.
On behalf of Mountain Studies Institute, we hope that you'll join us in making seed balls and dispersing them in the Hermosa 416 burn area while you're out hiking or biking. For more information and how to get your free seed ball kit, visit mountainstudies.org/seedballs.
Thanks for joining us, and happy trails!